In this lesson, we are going to take a look at some tools that are available to us that allow us to group multi-leaders together and also align them. I'm going to start by grouping some leaders together. I have these 3 leaders, 7, 8, and 9, that are pretty close together, and I just want to go ahead and group those together so that I have one leader. I'm going to go to the Annotate tab and the Leaders panel and select the Group tool here. Next, I'm going to click the leaders. It's important to click them in the order you want them to appear. So in this case, I'm going to click 7, then 8, then 9. Then I'll press Enter. And as you can see, I now have 7, 8, 9 grouped together and just one leader to take its place. Then I can just click to place this newly grouped set of leaders. Next, I want to do some aligning of my leaders. I want these two to align vertically, for example, and these two to align horizontally. So back on the Annotate tab in the Leaders panel, here's my Align tool. I'll begin by selecting the leaders that I want to align. It doesn't really matter which order you select them in. Then I'll press Enter. Now AutoCAD asks me which one do I want to align to. So in this case, I'm going to align it to number 6. Now as I move my mouse around, you can see that I can lock on horizontally to align those together. Let's see that one more time, this time vertically. So once more, I'll choose my Align tool, select multiple leaders and Enter, then select the leader I want to align to. In this case, I'll choose number 3. Now if I track up vertically, I can align those vertically. That concludes this look at grouping and aligning multi-leaders in AutoCAD.